So this is the first year that we're cutting our own tree down, and Owen is doing the honors. It's a beaut.
It's harder than it looks.
It's harder than it looks, he says. And we have our other lumberjack. Our other lumberjack who's happy. You're luminous, Bill. The sun's rays are right behind you. You look like an angel. Juice that he took. Holy! Look at him. He's like a lumberjack. Look at this from the man who didn't want to do it. Ah! I know, right? Look at him. One-handed, carrying it. Giving it a little haircut. Awesome.
Tree stump.
We'll give it to Chip. And it's in the car.